Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this mobile folding table, the model MSKT 760. Can be used as a welding table, workbench and machine table. Swiveling 90 degrees on both sides, 4-step high adjustment, collapsible to save space, 2 transport wheels and handle for trolley function, high adjustable side and longitudinal stop with toolbar for screwdrivers and more. The weight is 18.5 kg and the max load 150 kg. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Wow, so many screws. Okay. And of course included we have in the manual. If you want to read, is your choice. But stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Here we have the silicone fits, are going at the adjustable legs, left and right. Okay, there it is, and it stays just like that at the flat surface. There are so many screws as we can see. I need to use the screwdriver and 10mm key to install these screws with washer. I need to install these two metals, one here and one here, both sides, facing like that. Same thing we need to do, and from the other side obviously. Nice! Next I will install these adjustable metal brackets. One here and one here. Facing this side in. And I need these screws. And of course I need a 14mm key and another 13mm key. Some washers. The same thing I need to do and from this side. Don't worry, I will tighten all the screws and with my hands, not only with the cordless screwdriver. Now next I will install this metal here. And I need these screws. I need my screwdriver Phillips and I need a 10mm key. From these screws you need to use the 4 screws with smaller length. One washer. Next I will install these 2 levers and unscrew this. There is a washer inside with a huge screw. The first one, it will go here. And I need to install 1 screw inside here. Perfect. And the same here. Just press with the screwdriver inside, rotate, and that was all. And unscrew, and you can adjust. Then screw again, tighten it very well, it doesn't move. Next I will install the wheels are the foldable legs. 1 wheel here. And I need these screws with 2 13mm keys. That was also easy. And we have to install another 2 huge nuts. 1 here and another one here. We have these adjustable high locks. Just install them. Here are the huge nut inside. And another one here. Next I will install at the front this metal. We need 4 screws. washers and more. Same thing, and at the other side. And of course we need to install another one here for the screwdrivers and other tools. Next, left or right, I can install this metal, and at the front this one with these screws. And of course, if you want, I can adjust them up and down. It depends what I want to do. If I don't want to use these metals, just have them at this position and you can use freely your workbench. Otherwise, up, and with these screws it will stay very secure at any position you want. The same I can do and for this metal, left, right or left. Now these holes are out of alignment, so it is a little bit difficult. It goes up and down. Okay, fine. Finally! Unscrew these two levers and adjust at the position you want the workbench, swiveling 90 degrees on both sides. Use the handle for trolley function. Collapsible to save space, and with the wheels use the handle for trolley function. Four-step high adjustment and longitudinal stop. First 780 mm the high. Second 830 mm. Unscrew these two levers and adjust at the position you want the workbench, swiveling 90 degrees on both sides. third 880mm, and the last one 930mm. Here you can have your tools. High quality materials that makes it sturdy and durable portable workbench. You can use it indoors or outdoors for welding, woodworking and more. I like that you can do many adjustments to your working needs. It is heavy, but that is a good thing. It makes it more steady in any working condition. The cost is 79 euros. I think the price is fair enough for that kind of workbench. I hope my video was very helpful to you, my viewers, how to assemble this workbench. I will use it on my next video with a sanding tool. Don't miss that video, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.